Hey, what's up, guys? Eisenheim here. Okay. So I just got some gas. So this is Frogpilot release 3. Okay, so you can get this. You can do a URL install Frogpilot dot download, and that's it. That's how simple the link is. So all you have to do is uninstall whatever you have, stock or fork. Just do uninstall, so it will do a system reset, and then it will go back to that URL prompt, and all you have to do is just put frogpilot dot download. Okay, and then under model management, you download Secret Good Open Pilot. Okay, Secret Good Open Pilot, and then you go lateral management, lateral something tuning, toggle it on, and then go to a steer ratio. And for my accord, this is the accord. I use 17.33 steer ratio. Okay, and that's it. Then you do. I think it will prompt you to calibrate first time using the model. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get. Again, I feel more comfortable with cars in the field of view. Okay, especially with the anchor car. See that truck there? I call that the anchor car. I feel more confident versus no cars at all. Okay. So I can do hands-free just for dramatic effect. But this model, the Secret Good Open Pilot model, it's better if you have your hands on the wheel. You know what I'm saying? Like your left, at least your left hand. If it's like biased to the left, okay. But with an anchor car, it tends to center. It tends to center for me, as you can see here. There's the curve. So I'm doing gas press. I don't test long. I don't even use my ACC. So I just do gas press so I can slow down on curves if I have to. That's the only way for us Honda owners to get more torque. So I think the car is torquier under 65. Over 65, it's more it's gets the higher the speed, it gets stricter. So under 65, it's good. But again, on curves, what I do is I play with the gas. What do I mean? I slow down as I enter the curve, and then I just gun it. Until I feel it's not gonna. You can tell if it's not making the turn. You know what I'm saying? So. But it's better with a lead car or an anchor car in your field of view. That's what I notice. Yeah, what else? Yeah, it's a slow week. It's a slow month. They haven't made a new model yet. They did make a Secret Good Open Pilot version 3. Which I don't like. It's more of a left huggy for me. It's hugging to my left, I think. Yeah, so I decided not to test it. So this is Secret Good Open Pilot version 2 model. Okay. But the one in Frogpilot, okay, The one in Frogpilot is the version 2 model. This is version 2 model. What else? Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay with Frog, because it's not bad compared to Sunny. It's almost the same. Because basically I do basic stuff, 24/7 steering and the steer ratio, and Frog has it. So yeah, so and I've been testing Frog for quite a while now, and I like it. Not much difference with Sunny when it comes to Honda Accord and Sunny Pilot and Frogpilot. Yeah, so if you have a Honda, yeah, give it a try, Frogpilot. Because as I say, for most part, Honda uses, other than the NIDEC cars, Civic and Zero. I mean, what's it NIDEC? Earlier Civic. What else? The trucks. These are NIDEC. But for the Bosch Hondas, the best is using Bosch as your slash. You do gas press. So basically, we're just using the lateral. We were using open pilot for lateral only, and for long we just do gas press or stock ACC. I think that's the best setup right now until end-to-end long comes out of experimental. Okay, it's not worth it testing it, guys. I mean, if you want to try it, give it a try, but it's not worth. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to test it, go ahead, test it, but it's not worth as your daily driver. Okay. So again, the setup is OP on lateral on your steering, and then you use the Bosch for your long. You're like in stop and go traffic, things like that. But as I said earlier, I use mostly gas press, and I don't mind gas press. The chill is still there. Okay, as I say, I don't treat this as a self-driving car. It's mostly glorified ADAS. Okay, a driver's assist. That's how I treat open pilot. Just a driver's assist, which is very good at that. Okay. See how good it is. It's the steering is so solid. Okay. If you don't have a C3 yet, go ahead and buy one. It's not that bad. Go for 1,500. If you're upgrading, it will cost you around 1,200 something. It's not that bad. Yeah, I'm used to the Secret Good open pilot model. I think I really like it, guys. So I haven't been back to the legacy models at all for 2 months now. That's how I like the Secret Good model. Yeah, so and this is the future, guys. So why not just start testing it and then send your feedback to Tacoma, because this is where this is gonna be their go-to training. using AI. The AI is still based on regular video taken from testers, from what I know. So the AI is kind of like just converting the videos, from my understanding. So it's still using video provided by the community. It's not like the AI is making the video from scratch. No, it's using the video from us, sampled videos, and I think it's converting them, from what I understand. So please correct me if I'm wrong. It's the curve like this that makes me stay with Secret Good Open Pilot. Since Hondas, our Hondas are very poor when it comes to steering. The only way, to tackle a curve is through the model, or either that or you just drive slower. That's the only way. And you can do a modification of your steering firmware, so wherever, but only for Civics, earlier Civics, I don't know, and then CRVs. That's it. So only those two cars. The rest we are out of luck. Here's the straight. As you can see here, it's very nice and solid. Speaking of solid, make sure you have good tires. If you need to replace your tires, please do. And if you haven't had wheel alignment, please do. It helps with the overall driving experience. Yeah, my car feels like a brand new car. So yeah, Frogpilot is very solid. I've been testing Frogpilot for like a month now, and this is release 3. The staging one has that freezing UI bug, more on cosmetic, but this is release 3, so I haven't had any bugs at all. So yeah, so I like it. You can record the screen. What else? That's it. 24/7 steering is out of the box. You don't have to do anything. Okay, and I think that's it. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and leave a like. Again, may you have a safe and wonderful testing.